What if I told you that everything you think you know about black holes is wrong? Scientists have made a shocking discovery, and the truth is more terrifying than we ever imagined. What's really inside a black hole? Stick around, because what you're about to see will change how you see the universe forever. For decades, scientists believed black holes were just collapsed stars, but the latest research suggests something much more mysterious. Inside a black hole, the laws of physics collapse, time slows down, and gravity becomes unstoppable. But what's really inside? Scientists have detected something truly bizarre. Strange signals coming from black holes. Could these be messages? Or something even more terrifying? Some physicists believe that black holes might not destroy matter, but transport it elsewhere. A doorway to another universe? But here's where things get even stranger. Some scientists believe that black holes might not just be sucking in matter, but creating new galaxies on the other side. What if black holes are the key to understanding parallel universes? And if something is already on the other side, what does that mean for us? We're only beginning to understand the true nature of black holes, but if what we've uncovered so far is this terrifying, imagine what we'll find next. If you want to know the latest discoveries about space, subscribe now, because trust me, what's coming next will shock you even more.